Krishnamurti KP astrology is one of the most accurate and logical methods of astrological prediction. Unlike traditional astrology, KP astrology simplifies planetary facts using stellar divisions and the ruling planet system, making it highly effective for day-to-day predictions. In this guide, we will explore some easy yet powerful KP techniques that anyone can use to make accurate daily life predictions. First, we will understanding the basic of KP astrology. KP astrology follows the Placidus house division system, where houses are divided into unequal portions. Each planet operates under a star lord, which governs its final outcome. The sublord refines prediction, further helping in precise forecasting. Like Kaspabhav defines different areas of life. Uh, First house for self and appearance, self-appearance and self-attitude, self-behavior. Uh, uh, Along with second house for wealth, family, speech and food, wheat, etc. Star lord, the planet whose star the given planet occupies. Sublord, the most crucial factor in predicting events. Will, for example, KP techniques for daily life prediction. Will my work be successful today? Uh, Check the 10th house sublord, house of career. If it signifies 2, 6, 10, or 11, success is likely. If it signifies 8, 12, or 5, obstacles may arise. Example, if Sun is in the star of Jupiter and sublord Mercury, and Mercury signifies 2, 6, and 11, then day's work will be productive. The next question, will I receive money today? Analyze the second and 11th house sublord. If it signifies 2, 6, or 11, money flow is expected. If it signifies 8 or 12, financial delays may happen. Example, if moon is in Venus star and its sublord Mars and Mars signifies 2 and 11, financial gain is likely. And between the next question, will my travel be smooth today? Check the third and ninth house sublords. If they signify 3, 9, or 11, travel will be successful. If they signify 6, 8, delays or problems may occur. Example, if Mercury is in the star of Rahu, but if they signify 6, 8, delays or problems may occur. But sublord is Saturn signifies 2nd and 8, then delays in travel are expected. Will I get a good response from someone today? Look at the 7th house sublord, house of interactions. If it is signifies 2, 3, 7, or 11, a positive response is expected. If it is signifies 6, 8, or 12, misunderstandings may arise. Example, if Venus in natural benefic is the sublord and signifies 7 and 11, the conversation will be fruitful. Practical application of KP astrology in daily life or use ruling planets RP at the moment of asking a question for quick analysis. Check the moon's placement for daily mood and decision making. Use KP Hurari Person Kundali for instant answer to urgent query. And thoughts, KP astrology powerful tool for making accurate, quick, and logical prediction. By mastering sublord analysis and ruling planets, even beginners can make day-to-day life prediction effectively. Would you like a step-by-step video guide on how to apply this KP techniques in real life? Let me know and I will help you create one.